Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. First of all, open your Canva as you can see on your screen. Now to be able to embed a YouTube video, you want to open your YouTube page. So basically here on this channel, so if you want to embed, you're gonna choose the video here and then right click on your mouse and then you're gonna click on copy link address. So just need to copy that link address right over here and then go back to Canva, and then here on the blank space we're gonna paste it right here and it will automatically embed that video on Canva. Now the second way here to embed a video without using that YouTube page, so we're gonna close that YouTube page right over here and we're gonna delete this embed video right over here. And then all you need to do here, just click on these apps right here on the side menu. And then you're gonna scroll down until you find the YouTube or YouTube app. So right here, so click on this one. And basically just need to click this YouTube icon and we're gonna click on this open button. And just need to wait for a few seconds here. And finally, as you can see, we have opened your YouTube and you're gonna use that search box to find the video that you want to put on your Canva. So basically right here, now to put that on your Canva, you basically just drag and drop this video on the blank space right here and it will automatically embed a YouTube video on your Canva page. And that's it. That's how you basically embed a YouTube video in Canva. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.